In this video, I will show you exactly how to embed your Typeform into a website using an iFrame so you can provide a seamless experience for your visitors. To get started, go ahead and open your specific Typeform project from your dashboard. Once you are inside the form editor, look at the very top of the page and click on the Share tab. This will open up all of your different publishing options. From the menu on the left-hand side of the screen, you will need to select the option that says Embed in a web page. After you click that, you will see several different layout styles available for you to choose from. You can pick a standard embed which stays fixed on the page, or you might prefer a pop-up or even a slider that glides in from the side. Once you have picked the style that fits your website's aesthetic, take a look at the right-hand side of the panel. You will see options for design and design settings. This is where you can really fine-tune the look of your form. You can manually adjust the iFrame width and height to make sure it fits perfectly within your page layout. You can also play with the background transparency settings if you want your website's background to show through the form for a more integrated feel. After you are happy with how everything looks in the preview, it is time to grab the actual code. Go ahead and click the button that says Get the Code. A window will pop up showing the HTML snippet. Simply click on Copy Code, and that iFrame snippet will be saved directly to your clipboard. Now you are ready to paste that code into your website's HTML editor or content management system. This process is very straightforward and allows you to maintain full control over how your form appears to your users across different devices. It really is that simple to get your Typeform live and looking professional on your own site.